The video begins with a close-up of a patient's face, highlighting clusters of stubborn blackheads along their nose and cheeks. A calm and professional dermatologist, dressed in a crisp white coat and gloves, gently prepares the patient for the procedure. Using a simple yet effective tula, cotton swab, the dermatologist begins to target the blackheads with precision. With steady hands, they press the tool against the skin, expertly applying just the right amount of pressure to dislodge the clogged pores. Each blackhead is carefully extracted, leaving the skin visibly cleaner with every stroke. The dermatologist takes their time, ensuring a gentle and pain-free process for the patient. Occasionally, they pause to clean the tool or wipe away excess oil and debris, maintaining a clean and sterile environment. As the session progresses, the patient's skin starts to reveal a smoother and healthier complexion. The dermatologist explains the importance of regular skin care and advises on proper aftercare to prevent future blackhead buildup. The video concludes with the dermatologist giving a reassuring smile, their expertise evident in the transformed look of the patient's skin, a reminder of the benefits of professional care for healthy, radiant skin.